So in this video now, I'm going to show you how you can make anybody as an admin on your page, give the person access to your page. So before you give anybody access to your page, make sure that you are friend with the person. This your profile, that your profile. Let me switch back to that profile. This profile here. Make sure that this profile here, this Didi is friend with the person that you want to add as your admin of your page. So make sure that this profile is friend. Either you are following the person or the person is following you. Both of you should be following each other or be friend each other before you can give the person access to your page to manage. So let me switch back to the page we're working on. So now for you to give anybody access to manage your page, all you are going to do is see this three line here, click on it. Then when you click on it, scroll, you can see setting here, click on setting. Then once you see setting, scroll up. When you scroll up, you see page setup, click on page setup. So when you click on page setup, now you can see the name of your page here. You can choose to view. So you can see page access. They say invite people to help manage your page and control who has access to it. So click on this one, page access. Then when you click on page access, now you can see Didi Apps Tech, this is you. Didi Apps, this is you, the owner of this page. So you can choose to add anybody here. So there's two ways. You can add people with Facebook access, you can add people with tags. So for you to add people with Facebook access, click on add new. So when you click on add new, now click on next. So when you click on next, remember I told you to be a friend with that person. So all you're going to do that, you have already know the person name. For example, I want admin tips to manage my page, so I will type admin tips. Let me check. Then see search box here, click on search box. Click on search box. Can you see that? So this is admin tips. You can see. So I want this admin tips to manage my page. Then I'll click on admin tips. So the next thing here now, they said this is the access that admin tips is going to have access. Admin tips is going to have access to your content, messaging and call, community activities, ad, insight. That means admin tips can see the insight of the page. Admin tips can create advert. Admin tips can see the community activity and review. Admin tips can reply message. Admin tips can create a content, create and manage posts and delete posts, story or anything. So for example, you can give admin tips access to all these things. So now if you want the person you are adding to manage your page as an admin, and you know the person very well and you trust the person, you will choose to give the person the full access. You can see they say allow this person to also have full control. Anyone with full control can give access to others. Remove anyone from the page, including you. That means if you give the person the full access, and if it's the person that you does not trust, don't turn on this button. This button. When you turn on here, you can see now it's on. So when you turn on, that means the person can, even you, the person can remove you from the page. So anybody that are giving full access, full control your page, make sure that you trust the person and you know who the person is. But if you do not trust the person, don't turn this one on. So after you know the person, you turn it on, then you click on give access. So when you click on give access, now they are going to ask you a password. Can you see how they write profile password? That means you are going to enter. That means you are going to enter the password of your profile that you used to log into Facebook. So I'm going to enter the password now. So after entering password, click on confirm. So when you click on confirm now, you will see that they say admin tips can connect, message and calls, community activities, insight, permission, page deletion. So these are the access. But this thing now, admin tips is going to see notification that Didi Apps sent him invitation to manage his page. So you tell the person to check the notification, because right now this admin tips now is going to see notification. It's going to see notification that Didi Apps Tech sent him to invite him to be he's admin of his page. So now you can see that this invitation is going to take 31 days. You can see invite expire in 30 days. That means if admin did not reply, did not accept the invitation to be an admin to this page, Facebook will automatically delete this invitation and admin will not have access to the page.